Hey Dave, great news. I cracked the code and built a time machine. Better news is I went to the future and the Kings make the playoffs in 2022. It's all happening. You heard it live here. On a totally unrelated note, I'm a local business owner. I'm thinking about buying a commercial property. What kind of down payment am I going to need? Thanks for the help. Good news about figuring out time travel. Great news about the Kings making the playoff. That is amazing. I'm a big fan myself. So getting back to your question, what kind of down payment will you need? If you're a business owner and you're looking to buy a property, in the way we call owner user, where you're going to put your own business in the building, that can be a great path forward to buying your first commercial real estate. And that is because of what we call SBA loans. So these are owner user loans where you as a business owner can buy the building that you're going to put your business into. It's a government program designed to help business owners buy their own commercial real estate. It can be an awesome tool for your first commercial purchase if you have the right business and if you can find the right deal. So one of the best parts of an SBA loan is you need, in some cases, only 10% down. Depends on your finances, but you could do 10% down on your commercial real estate, which is something really no one else can do. So, let's say you see a warehouse for $500,000. That's a lot of money. I completely get that. But with an SBA loan, you only need $50,000 down in order to buy that piece of commercial real estate. That is a huge leg up. Reason being is if you're not an owner user, if you're going to be buying a leased investment, you're probably going to have to get a conventional commercial real estate loan. Now, it's not the end of the world. It just means you have to put more down. The reason being is that these deals are a little more risky for the lender because we don't know who your tenants are going to be. We don't know if all of your tenants go away, there's just a little more risk to the lender. Whereas on the owner user side, they know who the tenant's going to be because it's your business. So for a leased investment, you're going to be looking for more of a conventional loan, a conventional commercial real estate loan. And that's going to be more like 30% or more. So, you're going to need 30% down. So on a $1 million purchase, you're going to need $300,000. Obviously, that's a decent amount. There's things that you can do. You can partner with some other people. There are ways to put less down. We can talk about that in other videos. But generally speaking, you need 10% if it's an owner-user deal, or at least 30% if it's a conventional and you're buying a leased investment. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Hopefully we're getting some good information out there. If you could hit subscribe, I would really appreciate it. We're putting out one video a week, and if you got some value out of this, please hit subscribe and share the video. We're growing the community and hopefully getting this information out to as many folks as we can. Thanks, and have a great rest of your week.